water. Okay, now it's close. So you need to close another one, the hot water. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to change the thermostat, the shower switch, and the hot water and thermostat, and cleaning the filter. Okay, so you need to open the water first. Make sure is no water is flowing, and you need a flat screwdriver. Flat. Okay. Take it out. These two screws. Okay, which is I already move it just to show you. So another one. What you need to do first, take it out the cups on the side. Okay, take it out this and unscrew the flat screw. Okay, once you remove it, take it out and remove it. So make sure the right position, always remember, is this way. When you remove it, put it here, and same thing. Put this, and it will come out now. And there is a 2 screw. Keep running. I have to change the shower knob. So this is the shower knob, and this is the new one, and this is the number 17. This is the filter for hot water. This is the Okay, so you have to put this first. This. So this one goes to clockwise. Not clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. This way. Turn to the right. Activate. And this one, this goes that way. Just the stopper. Slightly like this. And this thing, put it here. This way, just shove it like this, so this is open and close. Okay, and if you want to check the filter, make sure it's clean or what, so I will show you how to remove the filter. Okay, this is size 17 and I'm going to use the ratchet. It's too long. Okay. Go this way. Okay. What I'm going to do, it's hard for me to work when I'm doing the video. So okay, I will turn to the left. This way as well. Like this. Now it's moving. I will do another one. This one when your filter is blocked, the hot and cold. Okay, it's loose now. Maybe I can use my hand. Okay. Wow, look how it's bad. Look the dirt. See how it's dirty, look. Okay. See? It's very dirty. Look. Right, what I'm going to do, see how is the dirt. What I'm going to do, I will blast. You can turn off this under the bathtub. There is a gate valve under the bathtub. But I'm doing on the main. I do on the main one. I will blast it so the dirt will come out. Blast like 2 to 3 seconds. Like this. Another one on hot water. Okay. That's it. It'll be alright. Let's see how dirty it is. Wow. Water everywhere. See? That's the dirt. The one that came out from the pipe. Okay. So now I have to clean this. So we have to clean this. There's enough water here. Okay. Now I'm going to put it back. So everything now is clean, guys. Look. Okay, I'm just showing you how to remove this. And I will show you how to remove as well the thermostat, just in case you don't have hot water. Sometimes as well, the cold water, if you don't get cold water, sometimes it's blocked. And the hot water, sometimes you don't get hot water, sometimes the hot water is blockage on the filter. But sometimes everything is clear, hot, the filter and the cold water and the hot. So sometimes you have to change the thermostat. Okay, use this. It's hard to do it when I'm doing the video on my one hands. Okay, tight. Don't do like very tight because it's hard to do it out next time. Okay. Another thing, I will show you how to change the thermostat just in case. Take it out this. Just pull it. This is the thermostat. Okay. So require a long nose to remove this. Make sure the position always remember when you're taking out, because there is a guru in here. You cannot see. It's a guru. Wait, let me show you. That one. Okay. So I have to remove like this. Oh, it's a bit tight. This is small screwdriver. And you have to use a very deep. You have to use the deep socket, which is size 24. So size 24. To use the deep socket. Put it in here. Okay. Use the socket again. Just take it out here, put it in the socket, and turn to the left. Like that. Just turn to the left. This is the way how you remove the thermostat. If the thermostat doesn't work, you have to change it. If you don't have hot water, you have to change the thermostat. If the thermostat is brand new, or there's another problem, maybe the filter is blockage. If you don't have the cold water, I'm sure it's blockage here. And if the hot water is, if the thermostat is new, if the hot water is new, you don't have, so check it, the filter on the other side. Okay, so to put it back, the problem on this 552 BozzRowell, this is the shower control. I have to change the shower control because the shower keep running. That's why they get really bad moist on the room. See, they keep running even it's turned off. Can't press on my one hand, so I have to do two hands. And this is, put it back, just unscrew it that way, put it in cold position. Okay. Okay. Right, what else? Now it has to go back. Okay, that's it. To put it back, I'll show you. Just put the cover back. One is the big hole in the bottom, one is on the top. put it like this. Okay. Like that. There is a twist screw. Put it there and put it here, tighten it. And put it the shower on this way position. Okay. Put the screw, tighten it, the screw here. Put the cover back. I'm not going to tighten it, I'm just showing you. So this one cold on the, put it on the cold position. Like that. So try, open the water and try, make sure it's hot and cold is working. So if you need cold, if you need hot, just make sure it's working. Yeah, put the screw back. Put the cover. Job done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.